The one thing having multiple choice does do is it does make it so that if you recognize that something just looks weird, then it's probably wrong. So if you look at this, it's got the most common issues that happen in that we just kind of take the three and multiply it or whatever. If you know anything about this stuff, you know that C has to be the right answer without actually doing anything. But when you're doing this and you're asked to show your work, which on our assessment, you're going to be asked to show your work. On the Regents exam, if you could somehow pick that out without doing anything, the Regents doesn't look at your work. But to the third power means multiply it by itself 3 times. So 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times negative 3 is negative 3x. Negative 6x, how about? Negative 6x. Negative 3 times 2x is negative 6x. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. So it gives me 4x squared minus 12x plus 9. And then 2x minus 3. All right, so now when I do this, I don't use the box thingamajig. So I'm going to flip these around. 2x minus 3 and 4x squared minus 12x plus 9. And if you've watched me in the videos, I do that because it makes my arrows easier to keep track of when I draw them because there's less crisscrossing. All right, so let's see what I do first. Orange. 2x times 4x squared is 8x to the third. 2x times negative 12x is negative 24x squared. 2x times 9 is plus 18x. Red. Negative 3 times 4x squared is negative 12x squared. Negative 3 times negative 12x is plus 36x. Negative 3 times 9, negative 27. Like terms? There's usually some. We got that. We got that. So we end up with 8x to the third minus negative 24 minus 12 more is negative 36x squared. 18x and 36x is plus 54x minus 27. All right, and that should be what C said. All right, and it is. All right, so that's the work to show C. Again, if it's not counting your work and you can somehow get C without doing the work, you're all right.